Revenue recognition versus subscription analytics platforms. Which one is better for finance accuracy? When it comes to SaaS finance, tracking cash flow is easy, but recognizing revenue accurately is the real challenge. And most businesses underestimate how much this affects their bottom line. So, what's more effective for accuracy? Revenue recognition tools or subscription analytics platforms? Revenue recognition software automates how income is recorded according to accounting standards like ASC 606 or IFRS 15. Instead of recognizing all income upfront, it schedules revenue over the life of a contract. For example, if a customer signs a 0 annual deal, the system automatically recognizes 0 each month. This ensures compliance, reduces manual errors, and makes audits easier. Subscription analytics platforms, however, go beyond compliance. They track recurring metrics like monthly recurring revenue, churn, customer lifetime value, and expansion rate. Their goal is to help finance and growth teams understand how subscriptions perform not just when revenue is recognized, but why it grows or declines. Here's the difference. Revenue recognition ensures accuracy and compliance, while subscription analytics drives insight and strategy. One keeps your books clean, the other keeps your business smart. So, which is better for finance accuracy? If you're dealing with strict reporting and audits, revenue recognition tools are essential. But for ongoing business intelligence, subscription analytics gives you the full picture behind your financial performance. In truth, both tools serve different sides of the same coin: perception and prediction. Use revenue recognition to stay compliant and subscription analytics to stay competitive. Together, they turn finance from a back-office function into a growth engine.